Are you searching for a lightweight, versatile and secure solution for your commercial space? The FlexiGlide Classic Chainlink Sliding Folding Security Shutter by HVP Security Shutters is the answer. This system is leading the industry in adaptable, high-visibility security. The Classic Chainlink Sliding Shutter is designed for areas where security, visibility and airflow are crucial. HVP Security Shutters manufactures this innovative sliding shutter system, perfect for shopping centres, airports, schools and more in the UK. Let's explore the key features. First, the maximum openness and visibility. The open chainlink design maintains clear sight lines while providing robust security. Next, the flexible installation fits almost any opening, including wide spans and curves. This makes it ideal for complex architectural spaces. The lightweight and economical nature of the shutter is another advantage. Made from high-grade aluminium, it ensures easy operation and minimal structural load. It can accommodate custom curves, making it suitable for non-linear layouts like shopfronts and reception desks. Additionally, the space-saving design allows the shutter to stack compactly when open, offering unobstructed access during trading hours. You can choose from multiple secure locking options for added peace of mind. Plus, it requires minimal headroom, making it perfect for tight spaces. In shopping centres, it secures entrances while maintaining visibility. It protects valuable stock in retail stores without blocking merchandise. In airports, it controls access to secure areas. Schools can safeguard canteens and sports halls with a visually unobtrusive solution. Bars, cafes and restaurants benefit from flexible closure for serving areas. The FlexiGlide Classic Chainlink Sliding Folding Security Shutter is the ultimate flexible security solution for your space. Don't compromise on security. Choose a lightweight, versatile option that meets all your needs.